Okay, today we will read NCERT Chapter 6 Materials Around Us. Okay, observing objects around us. Dulan and Shita are thrilled to go to their new class after the summer break. They enter the classroom and start talking. What have you brought to school today? Asks Shita. After some time, Madam Vidya, their science teacher, enters the class and starts interacting with the students, draw their attention to many things they use in their daily lives. She asks, how are they similar to or different from each other? What are their shapes and colors? How does it feel when you touch them? Are some of them heavier than others? All things are made up of some materials like paper, wood, cloth, glass, metal, plastic, clay, and so on. Any material that is used to create an object is referred to as material. Okay, this is an important point we have to highlight in this in your books. Okay, we will not read the activities, just the main part. How to group materials. Okay, you have to highlight this main point. The method of arranging the objects into groups is called classification. Okay. What are the different properties of materials? Okay, let us learn more. Let us learn some more properties of materials. Okay, observe and identify appearance of materials. Okay, materials often look different from each other. Yes, like we have paper and we have wood. Okay, uh, wood, paper is made from wood, and they look different from each other. Okay, next. Freshly cut wood, which is unpolished, yes, has a distinct appearance, quite different from that of iron. Okay. Similarly, iron looks different from copper or aluminium. However, there might be some similarities among iron, copper, and aluminium that make them different from wood. Okay. Let us do a sorting challenge. Select small pieces of paper, cardboard, wood, and chalk, copper wire, aluminum foil, and any article made up of brass, bronze, steel, etc. Okay, take a look at the pieces you have collected. Do any of these materials shine when light falls on them? Okay, this we will do later. Okay, lustrous and non-lustrous. Materials that typically have shiny surfaces are said, said to be said to have a lustrous appearance. Yes, you have to mark this point in your books. Okay, non-lustrous. Non-lustrous materials are those that do not have a shiny surface. Okay, this is also an important point. You have to mark it. Which materials are hard? Okay, when you press different objects or materials with your hands, some of them like stones may be hard. Okay, I will tell you. Like we have rubber and we have pencil. Rubber is said to be soft material because it can be compressed and also scratched easily. Pencil is said to be hard because pencil cannot be compressed. While it can be scratched, but it cannot be compressed easily, so it is considered hard material. Okay, and see, materials which can be compressed or scratched easily are soft, while other materials which are difficult to compress or scratch are hard. Okay, yeah, this is an actual example. For example, rubber is harder than sponge, but softer than iron. Okay. known materials through which one can see or cannot see. Okay, in this we have transparent materials, translucent materials, and opaque materials. Okay, we will see them in brief. The materials through which things can be seen clearly are called transparent materials. Okay, see here is it written. Glass, water, air, cell phone paper, etc. are examples of transparent materials. Okay. Then there are many materials through which you are not able to see. Yes, these materials are called opaque. Wood, cardboard, paper, plastic. These are examples of opaque materials. Okay. The materials through which objects can be seen, but not clearly are known as translucent materials like butter paper, plastic glass are examples of translucent materials. Okay. See, there are figures like this is frosted glass door, so it is translucent. This is glass window pane, so it will be transparent. And this is wood. This wood tree is transparent. Sorry, not transparent. It is opaque by mistake. What is soluble in water? What is not? Okay. In this, we will about what things are soluble in water and what things are not soluble. Like we have honey, sugar, sawdust, and sand. And sugar is soluble in water, but sawdust and sand are not soluble in water. Okay, we will see in the okay. So we said that these materials dissolve in water, or in other words, they are soluble. Yes, like sugar, honey, salt, and vinegar. You can also say glucose. Okay. These materials are insoluble in water. Okay. Like we have sawdust, sand, and that is insoluble. There is also chalk powder. Chalk powder is also soluble. If I'm incorrect, tell me in the comment section. Water plays an important part in functioning of our body as it can dissolve a large number of materials. Okay. Yes. Mm. Oh, have you ever drink an ORS in your life? If drink and tell me in the comment section. Heavy or light? Okay. Let us take these other activities we will do later. Okay, heavy or light? It can be like mass, the amount of substance present in a unit volume. Okay. Which is heavy and light. It can be measured in the terms of mass. Yes. Like kgs, kilograms, and space and volume. Okay, space and volume we will do in the next video. For then, bye bye.